Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. This is our second live stream on Streamlabs. So we are going to be voice live in the Discord, and we're going to go over some more buying opportunities that we might see, and we're going to go over some key dividend dates. Like today was the pay date for Defiance, and it was also the ex-dividend date for YieldMax as well. So before we get into it, let me fix something here, because this software literally just goes live. As soon as I click go live, it goes live. Okay, so I'm going to go a little bit out of order here. I'm going to start first with, wow, look at Mr. King here is the first one on again. Let me see something here. Let me see, how do I... It says sign into chat, but I thought I was signed in. Huh, okay. So much for that. Oh well. Okay, let's go back here. Okay, Discord. Voice connected in the Discord. And now, let's go over here. Just as a reminder, on the distribution schedule for YieldMax, we are on our third one of the year, so today was the ex-dividend date. So we're going to review some of the funds, how they dropped. It was an abysmal day for Tesla. What's new, right? We're headed for another reverse split after today. And then next week is going to be the distribution schedule for the fund of funds. March 13th is next. It's actually the day after we have Jay on, next Wednesday. Next Thursday is the ex-dividend date, and then Friday is the record date that we get paid that Monday. So that's that. And then let's see. Oh, Defiance. So today was payday for Defiance. So I'm going to be real transparent with you all. I'll show my dividends that I got for Defiance, and you guys just might get to see. Whoops. I actually don't want to show that. My bad. I had a little more info than I wanted to show there. Oh well. Who is this? Christian, Introspective Gamer. Oh, that is Skrabaka. Wow, long time no see. Well, you were on like a week ago, but yeah, it's been a while. Are you in Discord still? Feel free to hop on the live chat in Discord. Okay, so I got to be careful with this thing because I can't just switch tabs without without it recording the screen here. Okay, so what do I want to do next? Anyway, so I got dividends and Defiance funds and the JEPI and the other, or JEPY and QQQY. I didn't get it yet for FEPI, but that may come soon. Okay, next thing I want to go over, let's go to Yahoo Finance and let's look over Tesla. So Tesla dropped by more than the ex-dividend. Wow, we're below $16 a share. So if we were to divide this in half, because this is before the reverse split, $7.99. Wow, this would be like an all-time low. How about that? And look, we're getting ads for other ETFs like PIMCO. Okay, so wow. So the cost basis from inception would be like $43 from November 2022. God, this thing just keeps dropping and dropping. So how is Tesla stock doing? Well, it might have gotten a little bit of a boost today, because if you all follow the news, Elon Musk said he's not going to contribute any money to the presidential race, to either candidate. So it won't be like when he bought Twitter and he spent a ton of money and took some focus away from Tesla. So that was rather interesting. He's like the richest man in the world. I thought he might throw something in. Okay, where were we? Yeah, Yahoo over here. Okay, so Tesla is down to 176.54. This is, let's see, this is the lowest we've been since like last April. Because we forget that Tesla had a run-up. At the end of 2022, we kind of bottomed out. We hit like the lowest point we had been since July of 2020. The funny thing, if you look, Tesla never actually dropped. Well, no, it did during COVID. It went from post-split adjusted price of 60.07 all the way down to 28.50. Wow, that would have been a buying point for sure. Look at this, back in 2019, it was like $18. Wow, isn't that something? Look at that. Amazing. And then its peak was 407.36. So, Apple, again, Apple keeps dropping, but Apple's on my list as far as like a good long-term company. It dropped below 170 today, which that's the lowest we've been at also since, let's see, 2022. We were coming back, and then so the lowest since the start of last year, which is interesting. And I think I heard something about some lawsuit that Apple is having. Oh, check this out. We've got the grade here too. Okay, we just had someone join. Oh, this should be entertaining. Go ahead, talk. Norberto, go ahead. You're on the live show. Talk to us.
What's up, man?
How's it going?
Norbelito, please. Not Norberto, Norbelito.
Oh yeah, Norbelito. Yeah.
What's going on, man?
I'm just doing a live show.
You like my profile picture?
Oh yeah, yeah. It's awesome. Anyway, so what do you think about the market today?
You know, I've been working all day. I haven't even like seen the market today.
Oh really?
No.
Yeah, we were way down.
I mean, I only see my Tesla is getting wrecked though. That's for sure.
It is, yeah. Yep.
Is there a reason or any news, or it's just getting wrecked?
It's yeah, there was something, I thought. It was down like 420 today. And then Tesla had its ex-dividend date. So that's where the dividend comes out of the share price. Yeah, the dividend comes out of the share price. So, but it dropped more than that.
Yeah.
It was down
I
to
saw
like,
China and I think China and some other country reported a really low sell on their cars. So I think one of the news is part of that Tesla went down again.
Yeah, could be. Let's see. Tesla. Yeah, I'm doing the live show on here now. Finally got it to work.
How does that work? Are you doing it on YouTube and here, or?
Yeah, it's streaming on YouTube right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, you stream by everyone here.
Yeah, I did.
I'll tell the other crew on Dead Live.
Yeah, I went on there for a second. But I told everyone in my Discord.
To come join you.
Yeah. You think they will? I'll do that.
Yeah, they have a lot of content to talk about, so.
I'll go message them.
I'm at work, so I can. Yeah, go ahead and message them.
Oh, okay.
I'll see you in a bit, because I'm eating right now.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Alright, I'll message in his Discord. Okay, there. Alright, so back to what we were talking about. Yeah, so Apple. Yeah, Apple, I think, is a good buying point here. Let's look at a couple of competitors for Tesla. We've got NIO, 577. This one keeps dropping since the end of the year. It's like dropped in half. And then Rivian is a disaster, of course. Rivian is possibly on the verge of bankruptcy, which that's another video topic that I covered before. We're at 1103 today, and then we were at, let's see, yeah, see, we just keep free falling since the end of February. We've come back a little bit since the end of February, but yeah, so 10, yeah, we were at $10, and then we came back $1. So, okay, we're not getting too much live participation. Let's see, let me go back to the comments here. Let's see. Wait a minute. So, the account here formerly known as Skrobaka, you used to be in my Discord if you're the same person. Rob Smith, are you in the Discord? I know you're a frequent commenter, but I'm not sure if you're in the Discord or not. He's got 19,200 from the Defiance funds. Awesome. That's a great dividend. He says, glad I'm not in Tesla. Oh, you sold out of it. Didn't you, like, put a lot into Tesla? That stock's done nothing but lose money, unfortunately. Yeah, for sure. Rob Smith says, I just like the indexes, even though the dividend will be lower. Goal is YMAX, YMAG, ULTI, QQQY, JEPY, and IWMY. If you can get 40,000 in each, you get 6,000 a month for life, better than one stock ETF. Well, you already kind of were set with you were set with your YieldMax income and your others, right? Other than Tesla, none of these EV car companies are close to profitable. Same, I got out of all YieldMax except for Coney. Total return is the do-all, end-all with these high-yield funds. Distribution is meaningless if total return is trash. No, I've been with you for a long time but never joined your Discord. I could have sworn, unless I'm mistaken, I could have sworn you were in there. Had 40k shares of Tesla but sold out when it hit 14. Oh, well, you sold out at a good point, actually. That's better than, certainly a lot better than where it is now. Okay, let's see. Let's go back here again. Well, I thought we would have a couple more of you on. I thought I was going to get our options traders here. Especially these two. I thought you guys were going to join, but I guess not. Okay, anyway. So this is the Discord. Let's see. Alright, so I covered Defiance. I covered YieldMax today. Oh, what I want to look at also, some of you were saying that you expected YMAX to drop too because it's the fund of the other option income funds, but it went up. So let's look at the details here. We dropped a little bit when it opened. We dropped from, what were we, 2165 to 2127, but then we came back. It's kind of choppy. And then YMAG, that's based on the Magnificent 7. So this one went down a little bit. Like I say, these are on a different schedule, but one of you in the comments today was talking about how you thought that because YMAX is the fund of funds for the other option income funds, that you expected it to drop as well because all the other ones dropped for the ex-dividend date for the most part. Let's see how NVDY did since NVIDIA had another good day. 2888. Wow, look at that one. On fire. Goes up even on the ex-dividend date. Gotta love that. I might consider... Well, no, compared to yesterday. That's weird. We were at 3104. Let's see. Let's look at the day here. What did it do? Okay, so it dropped by the huge dividend. That was our biggest one. And then it recovered. So I don't know how it's saying it's up 33 cents because it paid out a huge dividend. Anyway, okay, let's see. Let's see. We'll do some more comments here. Still learning this stuff. Let's see now. Total return. Oh yeah, I read that one. You got the Discord link? Oh, okay. Yeah, join the Discord. Join the voice chat if you want. Rob Smith, I know you're bullish on Tesla. You think it's going to eventually recover, right? I hope you're right. Tesla isn't going to hit 32 unless they start making really risky plays and jack up their yields and Tesla stock shoots up for an entire year. Yeah, we'll see. Doesn't look too promising. What, my Discord link wouldn't let you join? We'll keep trying. I'll have to post a new link again. Anyway, let's see. How long have we been? If you own before the split, you already lost money. Yeah, true. That is true. Okay, let's see. Let's do one more. Is this you? Did you just join here? I just got a new person join. I'll say welcome. So I'm going to keep doing this, and I expect, we'll get more people on. I'm going to make this a regular thing. It's going to be a live show. I was not too familiar with Discord a year ago. I had never really used it other than for YouTube stuff. So I'm learning what a great tool it is. It's a great way to communicate. And definitely being able to voice chat in here is next level. Something I definitely want to be able to do with a lot of you all. Let's see, you said 240 shares long, FEPI with a PSQ option hedge that goes on every month. Interesting, look at that. Okay, well, I'm going to end it there. I was hoping for, some more live participation, but it was not to be had. So we will try again probably tomorrow. So like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see you all very soon. And join. Oh, look at this. Just before. Uh-oh. Who's this?
You are idiot.
Is that Dissector?
You are idiot.
I was gonna...
Yo, what's up?
How's it going? I was actually gonna post that.
Good.
That's
It's
funny.
the best clip ever, man.
I know.
It's hilarious.
I was gonna post that. I was gonna say we can't take any of your stock tickers seriously because of that.
Yep.
Yeah. That's funny. So you got kicked out of there twice, right?
Yep, twice. I'm
Wow.
double banned. Yeah.
Double banned. That's funny.
Yep.
Well, we finally got this going. This took me a while to figure this out. The other tools, I used Zoom and I was using StreamYard, but they wouldn't record like the other people talking. So this one works. So any other undervalued stocks you see out there?
Crocs. I like Crocs.
CROX.
Yep.
Let's look at that one.
Bought some of them. Yep.
CROX. That's not the shoe, is it?
It is.
Oh, okay.
It is the shoe, yeah. It's got a really cheap PE.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, 9.41. Yeah. That's, I know I'm looking at Yahoo here. They've got it almost 137. Oh, it spiked up in 2021.
Yeah, and the main appeal is they're growing. They're supposed to grow a lot in Asia and Europe, so they have a lot of growth potential out there. So that's why
Oh,
a lot of
internationally.
people like it.
Yep.
Yep.
I'll look at their cash flow here. Let's see. Oh, really good free cash flow. It like doubled year over year. Let's check out the quarterlies here. Wow. Yeah, it's pretty good. Let's see, this one was negative. What did they do here? Oh, some PPE purchase. Interesting. Let's see how Seeking Alpha grades it. It's got it as a buy. D plus for growth, B minus for valuation, A for profitability. Okay. Interesting. Oh, I've got to log on in here with my affiliate link. Still haven't done that. Let's see here. So I went over Apple. I think Apple's a good one, long term. Actually, Google. I have Google a little bit undervalued. And then, let's see. Let's look at, we went over High Tide. Let's look at this one, Altria. That's another dividend play. I think it's ticker symbol MO. 41.45. Yeah, this one pays a 10% dividend, and it's a safe one. It's not like a YieldMax fund. Okay, let's see. Well, it's been dropping. Oh, it spiked up here, like by $2. Interesting. Let's see when. Earnings are next month. Might get into that one. While I'm at it, let me look at SVOL. That's another safe dividend play. It stays around like the same price too. Let's see. I think they dropped the dividend though. 16%. Oh, that was the point to buy. It went down like $1 there, but it came back. Interesting. Okay, well, I think I'm gonna call it there, and we'll make this a regular thing. Let me read some more comments here. Got to still figuring out this tool here. Oh, we got another stock ticker, CELH. Richard King wants us to look at. Charles Ollinger says CLSK. All right, we'll look at a couple more. Hey, he says Tesla is a trap. How many shares did you have? Oh, did he answer that? No. Rob Smith says, I do own a lot of Tesla. Have not sold one share since 20. Yeah, I know you have a ton of it. Once you understand the company, you will see the crazy potential, but it's really hard hold with days like these. So, Rob Smith, what's your projection for like the long term, like the next 5 years for Tesla? You think it'll hit like 500? All right, while you're answering that, we'll look at two more, CELH and CLSK. Oh, there's Pay the Piper. Hey, you want to jump on the live? All right, CLSK, let's see. This guy, Pay the Piper, is making quite the money and options premiums. If you all look in the Discord under the wheel strategy, they post their trades there. All right, so Clean Spark is 1658, up 125, 8% in 1 day. This one, let's see, since 2018, it's actually dropped a lot. 2020, it was like $1 a share. Then it came back, and then it's been on an upswing. Let me check out my phone here. Let's see. CLSK. Negative earnings per share. A high beta. Oh, it's a Bitcoin miner. Mined 648 Bitcoins in February. Well, they better do that while they can before the halving comes. That's coming in April. Its hash rate surpasses 15 EH over S. Don't even know what that unit of measure is. Yeah, crypto's not my thing. I have some, but it's not my area of expertise for sure. So the stock just started coming back in February. We're up since February 5th, 114% in Clean Spark. So do you all think we have room to run? Those of you that mentioned that one? Let's go back to the comments here. Oh, Pay the Piper, you can't join. Okay, well, I'll keep doing it. We'll get more of you on for sure. Let's see. Oh, he says $1,000 by 2026. All right, well, I hope you're right, as usual. You're usually the voice of optimism here. Okay, let's see. CELH. Oh, we got someone in the other Discord. I mentioned in Debt Slaves Discord that we were live here. I'm not sure of my link, so this person, I'll have to give it to them later. Okay, let's see. CELH. Celsius Holdings. Is that the energy drink company? Let's check that one out. CELH. This one is 87.49. Wow, this has been on a run up big time. Wow, look at that. This year, it's up like $37. I need you all to mention these like 2 months before you actually do, so we can buy them cheap. 87.49. It's got PE ratio is kind of high. Let's see when earnings come out. Let's see here. Wow, look at this 5-year return versus S&P, 7,508%. 3-year return, 1-year return. Look at that. That's incredible. Monster Beverage. Here's the, oh, I like this, the competitor companies. Monster Beverage, Pepsi, Coke, Vita Coco. Oh, wow. I thought that was a Pepsi product. That's got its own ticker symbol. Vita Coco? How about that one? I could have sworn that was a Pepsi product. Maybe they split off or spun off. Anyway, let me look at this one in Seeking Alpha. CELH. This one is, ooh, F for valuation. That means it's just run up too high. NVIDIA has an F for valuation right now. Check this out. I gotta say something to justify not being in it. Wall Street still has it as a strong buy. Seeking Alpha has it as a hold. F for valuation, because it's run up so high. But A plus in all the other categories. Let's look at the after hours tomorrow. NVIDIA. Let's see. Oh, it's down 150 in the after hours. Big deal. Waiting for a pullback still. Anyway, okay, let's see. Some rate cuts are priced into the equity market. By the way, I don't know if you all heard Papa Powell today, but he said that we may raise rates again because the market is not cooling off and inflation is not cooling off like they were expecting it to. Rob Smith says, market is getting screwed by interest rates. All these stock prices you see are low. You think so? Once the rates start cutting, we will be in a real bull market. Wow, if this is not a real bull market, I would be really interested to see what is. Harder and harder to go long on big tech, looking at the charts. Interesting. Oh, somebody, Pay the Piper sold puts on CELH last week. Easy money. Yeah, you guys are kicking butt. I highly recommend everyone in the Discord check out that thread, because these guys know what they're doing when it comes to option premiums. Anyway, well, that was good. Glad everybody joined that could. Like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And we will see you all. We're going to try to make this a daily thing. So thank you all again.